Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Haba yang scam hakan nongrim baka sarkar kanum ai jakari tengen ni kibriu bashna ying bean usimbut menteri rangba bakmi ekatnat kampo ying polis ba Prestone Tynsong lo ong baki kam kilayat syakman ban penti kena ki dei kibriu bakumno ki basa halum survey berkaan kansale hi yakabadon kam lada lap baki dei ki basyong bean. Habay kren bagi nong thok kubor uba Prestone ulo ong ka an gadon ka jingte kendon gadon ngiru ngim kershan ban ai jakari yaki lada ki dei ki basyong bean ka an hi kan shemla ka jong ka lenti. Haba penpau baka sorkar kam shemla yot thia lingai halor ka ne ka issue usimbut menteri rangba ulo ong ngi kwa ban ne AA bat ngi kwa ban pin tikna yakini ki briu basa halum survey ki dei na India la nikila ban num dei. Ngim pala banong AA yakata namar ka jingpin tikna kadang ya chakman. Henry yo ang yapet la syai ka jingsyong bishar halor kani ka kam kandon bat hadien kata pensayo I yaki ay kisinjam ki bansa shim om tang da ka sarkar jila Henry ka sarkar preng ru hapo ka jingyalam u defense estate officer ula benram. Uba Prestone ula pentip ru ba ula betha yu deputy commissioner ke East Khasil SC Sadhu ba un khot biang ya ka jingelang jong baro ki kenhun namar kani ka jaka ka dei jong ka defense estate office Guwahati bat hab hapo ka jaka jong ka cantonment bon. Habagdo halor ka jingnet pen prayeng ka HYC usimbut mentru rangba ulo ong ba ka HYC kala pelong ya ka jingnet pen pray ya ki yeng klam da ya slok bat ki bor district kabalam sya ka jingpen ken ya ki an. Habakali halor ka jingkem ka HYC kinong kayi bat nong di drugs uba Prestone ula pentip ba ula betha ya deputy commissioner ban khot ya ka jingelang halor ka ne ka kamro.
Can you tell us the stand of the government regarding this demolition at Loom Survey?
Loom survey. See, let me just tell you one thing. I've asked the deputy commissioner to again call a meeting, the joint meeting, because you knew it well that place falls under the defense cantonment area, and the appropriate authority also falls under the defense state officer. Okay. Then what happened was that day, it seems the members of the HYC, they were, even without consulting, well, we understand the sentiments of our young people, no doubt about it. They have so much sentiment. In a way, they thought that, demolition is such a simple issue. We just go through and then dismantle, that's it. But let me tell you one thing. The law is there. The regulation is always there. We are also not in favor of sheltering them. If they are all illegal settlers, the law will take its own course. So what happened was, in fact, at that point of time when these members of HYC went over there, a cross violation happened. Why I'm saying that? Because this particular issue, it is still lying with the High Court, Honorable High Court. And tomorrow, Honorable High Court happens to, to go to the second hearing of this particular issue for dismantling, eviction and dismantling of the illegal structures, whatever available over there. So therefore, I would request to all concerned, don't take the law into your own hands, because ultimately you will have a lot of complication. As I said to you, does not mean that the government just sleeping over it. We wanted to do it, and we wanted to verify whether these people, they belong from India or maybe they are not. That still we can't say much about it, because the certification and verification is still on. So I think let us see. As I said to you, because tomorrow the hearing will take place, and maybe after that you will see exactly what is the next steps to be taken by not only by the state government but also by the central government under the leadership of the defense estate officer. Otherwise, can I reply to you? Okay. So, I'm saying, I think you will be able to know very soon, because the meeting, I think, is about to start, or I don't know. I've asked the deputy commissioner to call a meeting, be it demolition, eviction, or even when you go all out against the drugs addicts, because he mostly, when the members of society or whoever, when they go and get those addicts, it's different from when you go from the for those people who supply. Because from the government, we are more concerned, in fact, about this supplier, because these are the people who ruin, who spoil the life of those simple people, be it young girls, be it young boys, or be it old also. Now they are addicted to drugs. So the government does not sleep, and now we have already even initiated with that dream, the mission. We took it as a mission mode, fighting against the drugs. So now this mission also is on, and I'm very sure we'll be able to further strengthen this mission in the near future.